Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to unblock someone on BLK dating app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to unblock someone on the BLK dating app, you need to simply install the app, get your account created, and find someone that you want to block or you don't intend to see them on BLK dating app. So once you block someone for some specific reasons, now if you wish to unblock them, you need to simply go to your profile, then tap on settings. There you can find the option called blocked accounts. After you have found the option called blocked accounts, you can simply tap on the unblock option right next to the name of that particular person you want to unblock. You can simply repeat the same step to unblock as many people that you have already blocked and you wish to unblock, and you will be able to simply get them on their feed again. However, they won't know that you have blocked them or unblocked them on the BLK app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.